The SECUPRO MAXISAFE is the ever-popular classic among safety knives. Its special feature is the practical three-sided slider. The slider can be operated from the right, top, or left. The blade retracts fully automatically. Keep the slider pressed throughout the cut. Opening pallets is a typical cutting task. Hold the strapping band from above and cut at a 45-degree angle. For film, begin at the top and cut. Ensure sufficient counterpressure so that the blade does not retract prematurely. This also applies when cutting tape. You have the flexibility to change hands whenever required. Important: never put your free hand on the cutting path. Pierce to remove flaps. The safety technology is activated when cutting begins. Again, pierce. The thumb remains on the slider and the blade retracts. And again, cut. Keep pressing the slider. The blade retracts. To increase work safety, never cut directly towards you. Pierce to remove the lid. The safety technology is activated when cutting begins. Remember, never cut directly towards you. The thumb remains on the slider and the blade retracts. When cutting a window, extend the blade, cut, extend the blade again. The cutting depth is up to 16 millimeters. The three-sided slider helps in a range of cutting tasks. The top slider, for example, is recommended when working overhead. You can also use the top slider when cutting close to the floor. The blade used in the SECUPRO MAXISAFE can be turned. Press the blade change button and open the handle. But don't open it to full extent. Unhook the blade carrier to the left and push forward. Important: do not touch the cutting edge. Always touch the blade at the blunt side. Turn the blade around and replace exactly on the location lobes. Retract and lock the blade carrier. Close the handle and test once to finish. When both cutting edges have been used, replace the blade. Open the handle. Do not push the blade carrier forward before first unhooking it. Flex the hook slightly to the left and push forward. Replace the used blade in good time and dispose of it immediately. As replacements, only use MARTOR blades. Position the blade exactly on the location lobes, retract and lock. Close and test once. Before cleaning the knife, remove the blade and place down safely. Tap out and blow out to remove dust and dirt. Reinsert the blade precisely. When everything is back in place, test once to finish. Feel free to use our other media as well, for example our safety poster, and follow the instructions in the user manual.